ما سره کافی وخت نشته.
I don't have enough time. I don't have enough time.
زه غواړم چې دلته پاتې شم.
I want to stay here. I want to stay here.
هیڅ به نه کیږي.
Nothing will happen. Nothing will happen.
زه غواړم ویده شم.
I want to sleep. I want to sleep.
زه ډېر وږی یم.
I am starving. I am starving.
ستا په لاس کې څه دي؟
What is in your hand? What is in your hand?
زه اوس په کلاس کې یم.
I am in the class now. I am in the class now.
هلته څوک دی؟
Who is there? Who is there?
هلته علي دی.
There is Ali. There is Ali.
آیا تاسو هغه پیژنئ؟
Do you know him? Do you know him?
هو زه یې پیژنم.
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
دا کله هم هیر نه کړې.
Never forget this. Never forget this.
مهرباني وکړه ما یوازې پرېږده.
Please leave me alone. Please leave me alone.
ته ډېر ښه یې.
You are great. You are great.
تیزه راشه.
Come fast. Come fast.
لایټ یا ګروپ بند کړه.
Turn off the light. Turn off the light.
دا ښایسته دی.
It is beautiful. It is beautiful.
هغه ماله راوړه.
Bring that to me. Bring that to me.
زه اوس مصروف یم.
I am busy now. I am busy now.
ماله اوس کال وکړه.
Call me now.
Call
me now.
بخښنه غواړم ما سره بیلنس نشته.
Sorry, I don't have balance. Sorry, I don't have balance.
خپل کتابونه بیگ کې کېږده.
Put your books in the bag. Put your books in the bag.
تکرار کړه.
Repeat it. Repeat it.
مانا رستو تکرار کا.
Repeat after me. Repeat after me.
بیا کوشش وکړه.
Try again. Try again.
راپاسا.
Get up. Get up.
راویښ شه.
Wake up. Wake up.
راځه چې انګلیسي زده کړو.
Let's learn English. Let's learn English.
حرکت مکوه.
Don't move. Don't move.
دلته وګوره.
Look here. Look here.
ماته وګوره.
Look at me. Look at me.
نور څه؟
Anything else? Anything else?
نور څه هم نه.
Nothing else? Nothing else.
دا واخله.
Take it. Take it.
دا صفا کړه.
Clean it. Clean it.
دا په خپله وکړه.
Do it by yourself. Do it by yourself.
دا په خپله ولیکه.
Write it by yourself. Write it by yourself.
همیشه رښتیا وایه.
Always tell the truth. Always tell the truth.
زه همیشه رښتیا وایم.
always tell the truth. I always tell the truth.
هغه همیشه دروغ وایي.
He always tells lie. He always tells lie.
دروغ مه وایه.
Don't tell lie. Don't tell lie.
احتیاط کوه.
Be careful. Be careful.
دا څه شی دی؟
What is this? What is this?
دا زما قلم دی.
This is my pen. This is my pen.
همدا اوس.
Right now. Right now.
ما ته غوږ شه.
Listen to me. Listen to me.
تا ته پته شته؟
Do you know? Do you know?
ما ته پته نشته.
I don't know. I don't know.
هیڅ چاته هم پته نشته.
No one knows. No one knows.
ولې؟
Why? Why?
څه مسله نشته.
No matter. No matter.
دا وخوره.
Eat it. Eat it.
دا اوسکا.
Drink it. Drink it.
ته سبق ولې نه وې؟
Why don't you study? Why don't you study?
ته ولې نه راځې؟
Why don't you come? Why don't you come?
ته چپ ولې؟
Why are you silent? Why are you silent?
آیا ته مریض یې؟
Are you sick? Are you sick?
نه نه یم.
No, I'm not. No, I am not.
خاموشه.
Keep quiet. Keep quiet.
تیاره شه.
Get ready. Get ready.
دننه راشه.
Come in. Come in.
په ما یقین وکړه.
Believe me. Believe me.
مهرباني وکړه پوه شه.
Please understand. Please understand.
اوس زما نمبر دی.
Now it's my turn. Now it's my turn.
زه وږی یم.
I am hungry. I am hungry.
زه تږی یم.
I am thirsty. I am thirsty.
زه وږی او تږی یم.
I am hungry and thirsty.
تاسو چیرته یې؟
Where are you? Where are you?
زه په سکول کې یم.
I am at school. I am at school.
زه په کور کې یم.
I am at home. I am at home.
زه په صنف کې یم.
I am in the class. I am in the class.
زه لږ لرې یم.
I am a little far. I am a little far.
زه په پارک کې یم.
I am in the park. I am in the park.
هغه چیرته روان دی؟
Where is he going? Where is he going?
هغه سکول یا مکتب ته روان دی.
He is going to school. He is going to school.
هغه پارک ته روان دی.
He is going to park. He is going to park.
زما ملګري چیرته دي؟
Where are my friends? Where are my friends?
هغوی بهر دي.
They are outside. They are outside.
زما په فکر هغوی دلته دي.
I think they are here. I think they are here.
هغوی بهر لاړه.
They went outside. They went outside.
هغوی په کلاس کې دي.
They are in the class. They are in the class.
ما ته پته نشته.
I don't know. I don't know.
زما کتاب چیرته دی؟
Where is my book? Where is my book?
د میز د پاسه دی.
It It is on the table. It is on the table.
ستا په بیگ کې دی.
It is in your bag. It is in your bag.
د ټي وي سره دی.
It is next to TV. It is next to TV.
تاسو پرون چیرته وئ؟
Where were you yesterday? Where were you yesterday?
زه په کور کې وم.
I was at home. I was at home.
زه په مکتب کې وم.
I was at school. I was at school.
زه په کلاس کې وم.
I was in the class. I was in the class.
زه په پارک کې وم.
I was in the park. I was in the park.
زه همدلته وم.
I was here. I was